Okay, so my second eye's out, and I'm just going to use my finger and kind of clean it up. And the other thing that you want to do is you want to take a look at your eyes and make sure they look about the same. Because remember, your face does have symmetry, even if you are a skull. Okay, I'm cleaning that up here. Take a look at it. They look good. Okay. On the bottom where I wrote my name, before I had like some crumblies on there. So now that it's set up for just a little bit, I'm going to go back with the pointed end of my toothpick and I'm going to clean that out. And you'll want to do that with all of your name. Because this needs to be visible when I put it in the kiln. Okay, all right, cool. There's DM. I got more to go.